Okay, so I wasn't able to find anything about this online. Excuse the noise, that is my freeze dryer. But for the front brake switch on a 2018 KTM Super Adventure, the 1290, it'll be on your throttle side. And you're gonna come up underneath it. If I can get the camera to focus. Maybe. Give me 1 sec, let me grab a light. Okay, so that guy right there, that plug with the brand new white and it's black, that's what you want. That is your front brake switch. And the cord itself will follow from that all the way down, and it will go up in between your frame. And going up through your frame, coming out onto the other side. Let's see if I can get that to work. Focus, camera, focus. Right there. So that little black and white piece, that's your clip. You don't need to take off your gas tank. But I'm sure that it might be easier if you took off the gas tank. Because when you follow this all the way down and it comes out onto this other side, I'm not a real big guy, but trying to get my fingers in there, I was able to do it using just my fingertip. But you literally fish your hand up in there. You have to unplug the old one and feed it out, and then your new one, you'll line it all the way through. You'll come through this bar work for your frame, you'll come out, and then you'll plug in to your clip, your harness. So that's your front brake switch on the 2018 KTM. I did not film it when I did it, but I hope that me walking you through it helps. Have a good one, guys.